What's up guys, how you all doing? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your saved passwords from your Android. So let's get straight to the video. So first let's go to Chrome and then click on the three dots and go down there to settings. From settings you'll scroll down and go to password, and from there, as you can see, these are the websites with the passwords. So this was basically it. I know the video is short, but that's a way on how to find your saved password from your websites on Android. I think you can check this also on your desktop. If the video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I will see you later in the next video. Peace.